All right, we're doing some tree kickers, rock sliders this time. These are from Dragonfire. There we go. And they were a lot cheaper than the Polaris ones, which is why I went with them, because for the 4-seater they're about half the price than what Polaris wants. So they're packaged really well. And here's the Polaris style on the 2-seater. You want to hold it up to it? Let's see. That's how it's going to be. And that's going to work good. So let's get into that. Alright, so step one is to remove the Torx T40 Torx bolt from down here for these. And it's a lot easier on the Polaris one. Matt's just putting together the anchors, and you know, they just line right up in there. You tighten them down. So I'll show you that in a minute. Okay, that's what they look like. I still got to put the brackets on. So you just mock them up, stick them on there with the Torx loosely on both sides, and we'll move on to the next step. Alright, so this bracket is the next step. Underneath here, see it on both sides, right in front of the rear tire. All right, so these brackets are on. See that? And now there's just one screw left to put in on the front, and we still aren't able to do anything with these supposedly simple Polaris self expansion. They just don't work. And I'll show you what I mean. So you got to push onto this to keep this keyed into here. Otherwise it falls out and it just spins. So you got to keep tension on that. And if you don't keep tension on that, this just falls out. And this has to be squeezed into this. So in order to squeeze into that, you got to get it pulled the other way. If you tighten it at all too much, it's not going to go in here. And this one isn't lined up, so we can't get one of these in that hole. So we have to grind that out. So way more steps to putting these ones on, but these are almost done, and these just don't work because it's not as simple as the videos I've seen of it, where you just put it in there and zip it on there and you're done. That's not how it works. Haven't been able to get it to work like that. So that's where we're at.
Great. Sparks right near my tank.
It's all right.
Just film me.
It's almost empty, right? So it's mostly fumes?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's better.
Yeah. Safety first.
Yeah.
And I got a cigarette going.
Yeah.
We're doing good here.
Anyways, oh. If you can see in there, but it claimed a socket. It will not come out. We tried everything. I mean, it's on there good. Now that it's on there, you know, it just cost us a socket and some aggravation, because these things are not as easy as what I've seen.
Sucker in your face. Driving behind me.
Yeah, right. It'll bounce out. Yeah.
Yeah.
You're following me from now on until that thing comes out. All right.
Who knows? Maybe it'll come out today in the trail.
All right. So we got it. They're on there. And these are the Dragonfires. There you go.